Hello guys, my name is Tanmay Jadhav and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will be particularly talking about rational numbers, and in that what are rational numbers and some examples of rational numbers. So let's start today's session. So guys, what do you understand by the term rational numbers? See, rational numbers is very easy. A perfect definition of rational number is any number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers but q is not equals to 0, are called as rational number. Yes, I will write here that rational numbers, rational numbers, rational numbers are the numbers, rational numbers are the numbers which can be written, which can be written, which can be written in the form of p by q, p by q, where p and q are, where p and q are integers but q is not equals to 0. Yes, what is rational number? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers but q is not equals to 0. What is p by q? P by q means numerator and denominator. For example, 2 by 3, 9 by 8, 11 by 2, 3 by 4. These all numbers are rational numbers. These all numbers are rational numbers because it is in the form of p by q. P by q means numerator and denominator, where p and q are integers. P and q. See, this is p and it is q, where p and q both are integers but q is not equals to 0. But q is not equals to 0. 8 is not equals to 0. Okay. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, but p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So guys, one question may arise in your mind, that is 0 a rational number? What? Is 0 a rational number? So here I would like to tell you that yes, 0 is also a rational number. Yes, 0 is a rational number. Rational number. And it is written, in the form of, p by q, where p and q are integers but q is not equals to 0. See, yes, 0 is also a rational number and it is written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers but q is not equals to 0. For example, see, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. Okay. So 0 is written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. 0 and 1 are integers. 0 and 2 are also integers. 0 and 3 are also integers. But q is not equals to 0. Q means 1, 2, 3 is not equals to 0. So by this we can conclude that yes, 0 is a rational number. So now guys, on the blackboard there is an interesting question. That question is, find 6 rational numbers between 2 and 3. What is the question? Find 6 rational numbers numbers between 2 and 3. Now you would be thinking that there are no rational numbers between 2 and 3 because after 1 there comes 2 and after 2 there comes 3. So there is no chance of any such rational number. But you are wrong. There are 6 rational numbers between 2 and 3. So in the question we have to find the 6 rational numbers. So now we have to take a greater number than 6 in this case. What? In this case we have to take a greater number than 6. What are the greater number than 6? 7, 8, 9 and so on. So we have taken 7 by 7. We have taken 7 in numerator also and in denominator also. So now just divide and multiply this 7 by 7 by 2 and 3. Therefore, 2 equals to 2 into 7 by 7. So what is 7 2s are 14 and 7 as it is. And 3 also. Similarly, 3 also. 3 into 7 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 by 7. So here is the answer. So 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers between 2 and 3 are 14 by 7. No, we have to not take the starting number and the ending number. We have to take in between that numbers. Means I will start from 15 by 7. 15 by 7, 16 by 7, 17 by 7, 18 by 7, 19 by 7 and 20 by 7. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 rational numbers between 2 and 3. So guys, another interesting question is there on the blackboard. What is that? Find 10 rational numbers between 20 by 6 and 30 by 7. Now there we have to find the 10 rational numbers between 20 by 6 and 30 by 7. We can solve this question either by LCM or either by cross multiplying. I would suggest just solve these questions by LCM method because it is very easy. So find 10 rational numbers between 20 by 6 and 30 by 7. So we have to first take the LCM 6 and 7. 2 3s are 6 and 7 will be as it is. Now 3 1s are 3. 7 will be as it is. And 7 1s are 7. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. Now LCM is 42. LCM equals to 42. So therefore 20 by 6 equals to 20 by 6. Why we have taken out the LCM? Because we have to make the denominator equal. That's why we have taken LCM. So 6 7s are 42. So here also will be 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 1 0, 140 by 42. And 30 by 7. 30 by 7 equals to 30 by 7 into 7 6 are 6 are 6 is 18 and 1 0, 180 by 42. So these are the 10 rational numbers between 20 by 6 and 30 by 7. So therefore 10 rational numbers between 20 by 6 and 30 by 7 are 141 by 42, 142 by 42, 143 by 42, 144 by 42, 145 by 42, 146 by 42, 147 by 42, 148 by 42, 149 by 42, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 150 by 42. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are 10 rational numbers, and so on until 179 by 42. So this is another method to find 10 rational numbers between numerator and denominator. Okay. So guys, in today's lecture we have talked about the rational number. What are rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers but q is not equals to 0, are called as rational numbers. We have also talked about 0. Is 0 a rational number? So yes guys, 0 is also a rational number. We can write it in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers and q is not equals to 0. And then we have solved questions regarding rational numbers. Okay guys, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope that you have understand the term rational number, and have a great day ahead. Bye.